Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. It's Taco Tuesday, and I'm using my brand new taco stands. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'm using them today, so I will leave a link for them in the description box below. Okay, just let me get them out of the package and washed up and dried. How does that sound? I got my stands, stainless steel taco stands. All right. A little tip here. Before opening your ground beef, always rinse the packaging off because everyone has already touched it. And if you touch the meat, the beef, with the same hand that you open it with, you're going to contaminate it. So rinse the packaging off and also run the water over the beef before adding it to the pot or the pan. How does that sound? Okay, these are going to go until they have changed color. But right now I'm going to just use my meat masher right here. This is so useful and it gets the job done quickly. Just to get them grind up into little pieces. Mashed and smashed. Just like that. Okay, I'm using the bold kit today. These are the Nacho cheese flavored taco shells. These are so cheesy. And this kit has the sauce as well as the seasoning. All you have to do is provide the beef. One packet is the seasoning and one is for the sauce. The shells are in this silverishy package. The shiny package, that's the shells. Oh yes, cheesy shells. This is the seasoning here. I'm not going to use all of that, just a half of it. Now, don't go crazy with your salt if you're adding additional salt. As a matter of fact, you wouldn't need anything else. The cheese are already the taco shells are already cheesy, so nothing else is needed. It's almost done. Just like that. This is the seasoning, so I'm only going to use a half of this. Now, if you want to use all of it in yours, feel free. But it's too salty for me, for my family. A half is going to do it because we're adding cheese. And the taco shells has cheese, so it's enough. Next is the sauce. Now I'll use all of this sauce. Get this all mixed up. And of course I'm going to drain off, yes, some of the oil. Look at that. Okay, I'm just preparing these right now for the oven. That's a piece of parchment paper. And this is the soft ones. So the soft ones are going to get softer and the crunchy ones are going to get crunchier. Let's make the pico. Remember to rinse before slicing. This pico is for the top of the lettuce. Now you can add whatever you want to add to this. Maybe you want to add some mango or pineapple or whatever you have. My recipes are not gospel. Please use them as a guide. Always feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you. Remember to give your lettuce a good rinsing before chopping it up like this. Something might be trapped inside of them, so get it all rinsed out and do your thing. God bless you. I don't know about you, but I always select the large carrots in the store. I would just take the skin off the amount that I'm going to use and just shave it off. So I'm just adding a little carrots. Now this is the cabbage, a little piece of cabbage. I want to crunch and I want it to be beautiful. How does that sound? All right. Okay, this is the beef. If this is too dry for you, just add some of the fat that we drained off earlier back into it. Everything is now heated and ready to assemble.